These are the elevators at Imperial House in Squirrel Hill, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were originally Dover, but were modernized with Adams Survivor fixtures. Get the right one. This one's taller. I believe this one doubles service elevator. Annoying family, go down to parking one, door closing, you press the button, here we go down. Marshall. Yeah, I was right. The other one didn't have that logo. Definitely has some Dover characteristics here at parking one. At the 10, in your vehicle, here we go up. Here 10. Back down to 2. 88 phone. Nice cabs. Basic at the same time. Very similar modernization to Sterling Land Company's buildings, but this isn't by Sterling Land Company, which is weird. Yeah, basic old ceiling there. These were definitely originally Dover, Marshall. Notice how they put this label on the emergency light. But yeah, and also very similar modernization to a lot of Sterling Land Company's buildings here back at 2. Interesting how these are old Dovers for this tall of a building. The other one's going up. Here close, and that's going to be it.